Hi, Harper. How are you?
Hi, Harper. How are you?
You're not supposed to copy me. How old are you?
3.
3. What's your favorite thing to play with?
Purses.
Purses. What's your favorite color?
Pink.
Pink. What's your favorite doll?
Jasmine.
Jasmine. Oh, that's your favorite princess too, probably, huh?
Mhm.
Yeah. Do you go to school?
Yeah.
Who's your teacher?
Miss Ashley.
Is she nice? Yeah. Who's your favorite friends to play with at school?
Michaela.
Michaela. Wow. Let's see. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I got brothers.
What are their names?
Jerwin and Preston.
Are they big or little?
One is Preston little and Jerwin is big.
Oh. Do you have any pets?
Yeah.
What kind?
Like Rufus.
Rufus. Is it a dog or a cat?
Dog.
A dog. Can you tell me a joke?
I don't know what to do.
You don't know a knock-knock joke?
Oh, yeah. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana salad.
Banana salad who?
Mushroom.
Mushroom. Ha 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 ha. That's funny. Where's your favorite place to eat?
Burritos.
Let's see. What's your favorite dessert? Your treat if you ate all your food. What's the favorite thing to eat?
Rice Krispies.
Oh, yummy. What's your favorite game to play?
My memory game.
Memory game. I like that game too. Who's your best friend?
Sophie.
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 Oh, Shelby. Oh. Shelby's your best friend. Who's your best friend that's a boy?
Timothy.
Timothy. Those are good friends. Okay, is there anything else you want to sing for us before we're done?
No.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.